Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to display the date instead of the digital time on your Casio G-Shock GA-100 powered by the module 5081. So you are going to be able to apply this tutorial to all Casio G-Shock watches that feature the module 5081 as well as other Casio G-Shock watches out there. All you need to do is to press the forward button or the button on the bottom right, and you will be able to switch the digital time to the digital date. So as you can see, we are on the 27th of December, and now I can read the time here on the analog display. It is 12 and almost 2 minutes. If I want to switch back to the digital time, I'm going to press the forward button once again, and as you can see, we have now the digital time displayed on this digital display right here. That was the quick tutorial that I had for you guys. In case you found it useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel in case you are interested in watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews. Give it a thumbs up, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.